Are you struggling to import the Log4j2 core classes in your Java project? You're not alone. Many developers face this issue, and today we're going to unravel the mystery behind it. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you think you've set everything up correctly, only to hit a wall. If you've been using Log4j version 2.8.1 without issues, this sudden hiccup with version 2.8.2 can feel like a real setback. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user mentioned they are trying to write a converter plugin using Log4j2 version 2.8.2, but are unable to import essential classes like log event and plugin. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So, what could be causing this import issue? It could be related to the Maven dependencies or even the structure of your project. We'll break it down step by step to identify the root cause. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help you avoid similar issues in the future. To address the issue with importing Log4j2 classes, the user should first ensure that the Maven dependencies are correctly defined in the pom.xml file. This includes both log.j.core and Log4j API. Next, the user should verify that the correct version of the Log4j2 library is being used. Sometimes conflicts can arise if multiple versions are present in the project. After confirming the dependencies, the user should clean and rebuild the project. This step ensures that any cached or outdated files are removed. If the issue persists, the user should check the project structure and ensure that the source folders are correctly configured. This can affect the visibility of imported classes. Finally, if all else fails, the user can consider updating to a newer version of Log4j2. Sometimes, bugs in specific versions can cause unexpected issues. Fun fact, did you know that Log4j was originally created in 1999? It has come a long way since then, but even the best tools can have their quirks. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests that the issue may stem from a configuration problem in your Maven local repository. They noticed that your log4j.core.jar might actually be from log4j-api.jar. They tested your pom.xml and found it worked fine in their environment. To resolve the issue, they recommend navigating to the log4j folder in your local Maven repository, deleting all folders there, and then running the command mvn install in your project to re-import the libraries. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always keep your dependencies updated and regularly check for compatibility issues when upgrading versions. This can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. With the right dependencies and a few tweaks, you should be able to import those Log4j2 classes without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and remember to keep coding.